Namaste. Do you want to unleash your inner healing power without a rigorous diet? Do you want to accelerate your health and immunity without a rigorous diet? Then watch this video completely till the end. Please understand, only diets do not work, but it's your immune system which keeps your health on top gear naturally. And if you want to keep your immune system on top, then you got to be physically and mentally healthy. Understand? The state of your well-being is determined by how you live and how you eat. And did you know that 46% of working professionals have physical and mental health issues? Did you know that 14% of working professionals suffer from sleep deprivation? And if you are a working professional who wants to beat stress naturally, and if you're a working professional who wants to accelerate his health naturally and maintain his health for a long time, well, then I invite you into my live webinar where I'll be sharing with you the 3 secrets to unleash and accelerate your inner healing power. Click on the sign up button for more details and register for the upcoming live webinar. And if you're watching this on Instagram, click on the link in bio. Looking forward to meet you live. Namaste.